Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 600. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, I'm using Google Chrome. After that, click on the three dots and go into settings. Then, in the search bar, type security. Over here, click on security. Then, scroll down until you see use secure DNS. Make sure this is toggled on. For the DNS provider, choose Google Public DNS. After that, go back and your settings will be saved. Now, open up the search on your PC and type run. Over here, type %local app data % and click OK. Then, click on any folder and type T to find the temp folder. Click on temp. Again, click on any folder and type R to find the Roblox folder. Once you find it, right click and delete it. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox error code 600, and that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.